Hey guys, in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some of the biggest changes, in my opinion, that are happening within iOS 16.4 and beyond that will change the way that iPhone users install applications on their iPhone and on their iPads. I think these will be fundamental changes that will impact the user experience from here on out. I wanted to share a quick preview with you guys, so let's just dive right into this video. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, of course, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. And now, if you want to install apps on your iPhone and iPad, there's only one app store. Of course, you can go into the app store. Developers can submit applications. Apple reviews these apps. They get submitted to the app store and you download them on your iPhone. Fairly simple, right? This is the easy way to install apps on your iPhone. And there's other services where you can sideload applications, but most users just want a simple app store where they can go to, download applications, and simply install them on your iPhone. And now, if there's an app that you like but Apple doesn't approve, for example, let me just give you a quick example here. This retro application here, which I really love, allows you to use a classic iPod look interface for the music on your iPhone, as you can see right here. Now, Apple would never allow this on the App Store because, of course, that is the iPod classic look and they don't want that. But in the future, with iOS 16.4 and iPadOS 16.4, Apple has updated Webkit with some important fundamental changes that I think will change the way users will think about web apps in the future. Apple has added third-party browser support for you to install apps using the home shortcut options on browsers. We also have a web push, which is notifications for web applications. We have focus mode support. So basically, we're getting every feature that a core application from the App Store, things like badges on your icon, focus mode support, notifications, all the features that you get on App Store apps will now be coming to web apps on your iPhone. So now applications like Retro and any other application that you install using the web will take advantage of some of these features. And I'm sure this will be big for a lot of users in the future and developers. For example, if I want to install that Retro application without having to go through the App Store, I can go through the website here. As you can see, I can click the share options here. I can go and click add to home screen. I can add it to the home screen, and there is the Retro application. I can launch it. I can go ahead and link my Apple Music. So if I go into settings here, I can go and link my Apple Music, sign in here. I can go Apple Music, just like so. I can authorize Apple Music access here. I can get notifications and get all the core features that we will get with any other application using a web app. So I can allow the music access here, and now I have my Apple Music connected to this web app, which is on my home screen. Now, as I mentioned, focus mode will be supported here. So for example, if I want to set focus mode or screen time is also supported here. Let's go. I want do not disturb here, and I want to add, let's say, one of these web apps to this particular category. It would actually be found here as well. So if I go here, you can see right there's the application. So now there is support for some of these core functions and core features within the iPhone. And I think this is going to be huge because a lot of the developers will take advantage of these web applications, take advantage of these core features on iOS, and you will be able to install basically any app on your iPhone using these web app shortcuts, and you'll get all these native features on your iPhone using this particular new Webkit update that's coming with iOS 16.4. So again, iOS 16.4 and iPadOS 16.4, in my opinion, marks the beginning of something new, something that I believe will be big, especially for developers and those that like to install third-party applications on your iPhone. And I'm looking forward to this. I'm looking forward to see what developers will do with this new Webkit update and a lot of these applications that will be supported with all these core features. I'm super excited for the future. I just wanted to share that quick preview of the new Webkit and things that are going to be possible. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.